If you're tired of seeing the same lengths every time you remove them, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to be sharing my exact step-by-step routine to keep your coily hair growing fast and healthy while it's protected. So let's get right into it. Hi Sparkles! Taking care of your hair while it's in natural braids is actually the real secret to boosting your hair growth. For me personally, I have low porosity hair, so I use the LCO method. But I actually tweaked the method a little bit to suit my hair. And this is exactly how I do it. First, I apply my DIY herbal hair tea, made from rosemary and thyme. I apply it directly to my scalp and along my braids. One thing I want to mention is that hair tea actually works faster than oil when it comes to boosting hair growth. Just to show you what I mean. This was my hair when I first started, a small TWA, and this is my hair now. Once I added herbal hair tea to my routine, I noticed my hair responded much faster than when I was only using oils. Herbal hair teas are lighter, so they penetrate the hair and scalp more easily, delivering nutrients directly where your hair needs them. And honestly, that's made a big difference in my hair growth journey. That's why I love using it as the first step in my routine. But I don't just spray it and leave it like that. I gently dab and squeeze the braids so the liquid really penetrates into the hair shaft. This helps the nutrients actually enter the hair instead of just sitting on top. Plus, I love the shine it gives afterwards. Just take a look. What a shine! Why shall I not shine? Come on! Next, I apply my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Mediana leave-in conditioner and I really like it because it keeps my hair soft without weighing it down. The last time I bought it was last year and it was about 1,500 naira here in Nigeria. It's really affordable and accessible in local beauty stores, and honestly, it's been working really well for my hair. I focus this mainly on my hair strands and not the scalp. The leave-in helps keep my hair soft, moisturized and manageable while it's tucked away in the braids. And again, I don't just rub it on the surface. I gently dab and squeeze the braids so the moisture actually absorbs deep into the strands. Then I seal everything in with my DIY herbal oil. I apply the oil on my scalp and along the braids. When applying the oil to my scalp, I take my time to massage my scalp for about 3 to 5 minutes. This helps stimulate blood circulation, which supports healthy hair growth. And again, I gently dab and squeeze the braids so the oil distributes properly through the strands. This step helps lock in all the moisture from the previous steps. Now technically this routine is based on the LCO method, but I actually skip the C part most of the time, and that's just my personal preference. For me, I usually apply my hair butter or cream only on wash days. Then during the week, I continue my routine 2 to 3 times a week using the LO method. That's simply liquid and oil. And this works really well for me because my hair is low porosity. Low porosity hair does not need to be packed with too many products. Too many layers can make the hair feel heavy and lead to buildup. So if you also have low porosity hair, you can either choose cream or butter as your sealing step or choose oil. Or you can even take very small amounts of both and apply them lightly. Whichever option you choose is completely fine. The most important thing is not overloading your hair. Then I go ahead and wash my hair while it's in braids. Yes, you should wash your hair in braids because Clean scalp equals healthy growth. When your scalp is clogged with sweat, oil buildup, and product residue, it becomes harder for nutrients to penetrate properly. And healthy hair always grows from a healthy scalp. You can wash weekly or bi-weekly, depending on how your hair reacts. For me personally, I wash mine once every 2 weeks. When I tried washing weekly, I noticed my hair dried out faster, so I adjusted. That's one thing about natural hair. It teaches you to listen to your hair. My hair isn't super long yet, but I'm definitely seeing real progress with this routine. The real secret to growing your hair fast is sticking to a routine. Yes, you heard me right. Consistency is the key. If you're not consistent, the growth will be slow. So if you're currently wearing braids and you want real length retention, remember this. Moisturize consistently. Use the right product for your hair porosity. Seal your moisture properly and keep your scalp clean. And that's how you grow your hair fast while it's in braids, especially for us coily type girlies. And we have come to the end of this video. If you found these tips helpful, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to see my videos whenever I post. And if you're curious about how I made my potent herbal hair tea for maximum hair growth, check out the next video at the end of this one. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.